or something like that.
You just got that on video.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna be making a blood orange gummy with THC inside of it. We're gonna be doing it in celebration of Halloween.
Right now we're about to spray the trays in order to keep the gelatin gummies from sticking when we finish putting them in the mold. You have to make sure you get all the way through the crevices because that's where they kind of tend to stick. So that's good.
I like that. So let's put one of these in the tray.
I got it, Josh. There you go.
You were born to be an actor.
Thanks, Josh.
This is what a warm bath does to the gelatin. It starts to make it kind of come together, as you can see here. You don't need to stir or do anything crazy like that.
I'm about to check the temperature in case Josh made a mistake and had it the wrong temperature.
See what I have to deal with?
It's a little low, but I'll raise it up without him knowing about it.
Constant battle of me lowering it, you raising it. Poor gummy.
For the day.
Yeah, my father's my assistant today. Not there, over there.
And I'm not getting paid for this either. Just by the way, I just want to set up.
Your check's coming. My check bounced 3 times. All right. We're doing blood orange. Let's do orange.
Okay.
You might be red.
Blood orange. Yeah, you're right. You can do an orange red if you want.
Okay. The gelatin, we're gonna put it in a warm water bath. We're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. Maybe it's too much water.
Yeah, a little too much water. As your assistant, I can inform you that that's too much water.
Gelatin.
Hey, Kelly, it's coronavirus, aka the Rona. Love the nickname. So close. Close is how I spread. So keep going. Beach, house parties, outwear masks, rubbing all on each other, and taking people to your mom.
Citric acid. Flavor. This smells good. Okay. Dad, would you add the colors?
Yeah.
Hey, Kelly, it's coronavirus, aka the Rona. Love the nickname. So close. Close is how I spread. So keep
Nice color.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Appreciate it.
Just I appreciate you.
Appreciate you. I know, right? So funny.
That's it.
So very bloody blood orange. Okay. Ready? Just gotta go into the depositor. after that.
This is probably one of the most important jobs, is making sure that the exact quantity of gel is placed into the mold in order to make a perfect gummy. And the first couple times you have to pump all the air out, so this is really important to do this. You can hear it.
It's a good color.
Yeah, it's a good color.
Maybe get a close up on it dripping out. Trick the viewers there. They thought it was going to make it.
I do that on purpose, just to keep them excited and entertained. Yeah,
Something new is going to happen.
exactly.
Okay, go ahead and throw it in. It's like a pizza. Ooh, pizza-shaped gummies would be fun.
Great suggestion, Josh. We're gonna keep that in mind.
He says that because I'm his son. It's a machine fart.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that'll work.
I hope you don't pick your nose with those fingers.
No, it doesn't work.
Cut. Take 77.
No, I saw them do it. I saw them do it.
I think he put something on his hands. He must have like
Yeah, it was just
maybe
his
spray
bare
that.
hands.
Maybe he sprays butter on it.